Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to share a video with audio in Google Meet. Before that, if you are someone who likes exploring tech, consider subscribing. First, you need to install the virtual cable application as shown in our last video. After installation, start your meeting as usual. Now open the control panel and select the sound settings. And enable and set the VB application as default. Now you need to change your speaker and mic settings in Google Meet to this application. Now unmute your mic and keep your speaker muted. You are all set to go now. You can now present your video's audio directly via your mic. And now you can present both online and offline videos with this method. That's pretty much it. Check our last video to install this application and comment your experience below. Thanks a lot for watching.